2026 Suzuki Burgman Street 125 face screaming if-fear luxury scooter under budget? Full review and hidden features. Is this the most comfortable scooter of 2026? Exploding head. A luxury-style maxi scooter, packed with smart features, and still budget-friendly? Today, we're talking about the 2026 Suzuki Burgman Street 125. And trust me, this scooter is not just about looks, it's about lifestyle. So watch till the end, because I'll tell you whether this scooter is really worth buying or just hype. Motorcycle, design and looks. First thing you notice, the design. The Burgman Street 125 continues its maxi scooter styling, which makes it stand out from normal scooters like Activa or Access. For 2026, Suzuki has made it even more premium. Sharper front design. Stylish LED headlamp. Sporty body graphics. New eye-catching color options. From the front, it looks bold. From the side, it looks long and comfortable. And from the back, it gives a complete premium vibe. Honestly, if you want a scooter that looks different from the crowd, this is it. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about performance. This scooter comes with a 124 cubic centimeters refined engine. It's not built for racing, but for smooth and relaxed riding. Acceleration is smooth. Engine is very silent. Perfect for daily city rides. Top speed is around 90 km per hour, but the real strength is comfort and smoothness. If you ride daily in traffic, this scooter will make your life easier. Fuel pump mileage. Mileage is one of the biggest concerns, right? Good news. The Burgman gives around 50 to 55 kilometers per liter depending on your riding style. So yes, it's stylish and fuel efficient. 100 points. Mobile phone, smart features. Now comes the interesting part, smart features. With Suzuki Ride Connect you get Bluetooth connectivity, call and SMS alerts, turn-by-turn navigation, ride stats on your phone. This makes the scooter feel modern and tech-friendly. Imagine getting navigation on your scooter display, no need to check your phone again and again. Smiling face with heart eyes. Brain, instrument cluster. The scooter now comes with a fully digital display. It shows speed, fuel level, trip meter, real-time mileage. The display is clear and easy to read even in sunlight. Share, comfort, and riding experience. This is where the Burgman truly shines. Glowing star. Long and wide seat. Relaxed riding posture. Perfect for long rides. Even tall riders will feel comfortable. There's also a footrest position like a bike, so you can stretch your legs while riding. Trust me, once you ride this, normal scooters will feel uncomfortable. Motor scooter, storage and practicality. Daily use matters a lot, and Suzuki understands that. You get large underseat storage, fits helmet easily. Front glove box. Mobile charging port. External fuel lid, no need to open seat. This makes it super practical for office, college, or daily use. Shield, safety features. Safety is decent for a 125 cubic centimeter scooter. Combined braking system, CBS. Tubeless tires. Stable ride quality. Braking is smooth and confidence-inspiring in city traffic. Money bag, price and value. Now the big question, price. Expected price is around 95,000 Indian rupees to 1.10 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Yes, it's slightly expensive compared to normal scooters. But you're paying for premium design, comfort, smart features. So overall, it offers good value for money. Thinking face, pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. Premium maxi scooter design. Extremely comfortable. Good mileage. Smart features with Bluetooth. Cross mark cons. Slightly expensive. Not for high-speed lovers. Heavy compared to basic scooters. Final verdict. So, should you buy the 2026 Suzuki Burgman Street 125? Thinking face? If you want heavy checkmark comfort, heavy checkmark style, heavy checkmark daily usability, heavy checkmark premium feel, then yes, this scooter is absolutely worth it. 100 points. But if you want speed and sporty performance, this might not be for you. So guys, that was the full review of the 2026 Suzuki Burgman Street 125. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment your thoughts, bell, subscribe to SG Riders for more and scooter content. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and ride smart.